Hiya and welcome to my unboxing of the Planners Anonymous kit for January. This kit is called Books and Botanicals. This is the extra sticker kit. This is the gorgeous planner kit and the papers from the gorgeous planner kit. And then this is the additional paper pack. I'll open the additional paper pack and sticker pack at the end. Let's start by having a look at the papers that come in the standard planner kit. This one is gorgeous. I'm loving it already. Just the flowers, and there's a cute little polka dot in the background. Hopefully you can see that there with it zoomed in. And the gorgeous blue of the little, they look like little hydrangeas. This blue on the reverse side of the paper. So we have two of those. And then we have a gorgeous relaxed looking garden scene here with books and cushions. Lovely. And the colour on the reverse of this one, this watercolour, is totally stunning. Gorgeous colour. Two of those, and then we've got the bookshelves with the flowers, so rows and rows of books, and then this calm green colour on the reverse side of that. Then there's a piece of vellum with the bookshelf print on it. You can see that there. And then the acetate is gorgeous. It's a silver acetate and it's so pretty. It's got various books and flowers on it. It's silver, and on the reverse side also silver, and it is stunning. It's so pretty. I love the acetate. So these are the papers and the specialty papers for Books and Botanicals, and now let's have a look at everything else that's in the planner kit. Here we have the little stamp with my special packer on it. Maybe I should try and collect the set, because this is the second different person I've had. I wonder how big the set is. Okay, so we've got our 3 rolls of washi, which we'll look at the end. First thing I'm going to look at is the girl for the month with her impressive pile of books here and the gorgeous background with that flower on it. So her name is Evelyn. I'm not going to read that, but if you'd like to read it, please just pause here and have a read of it. I'll just zoom in there so you can see that bit, and then there's the bottom bit. I don't want to spoil the surprise if you are waiting for your kit. Although my kit's been quite slow this month, so you've probably already received yours. Here we have the pen for the month. There's a gorgeous selection of crystals in the pen. The Planners Anonymous etched there as per usual. It's a shiny silver hardware on the pen, and this sort of green colour. I'm not too sure what to call that green. I'm thinking chartreuse, but maybe chartreuse is more yellow. Anyway, you can see for yourself. That's the pen. This is the little mystery item for the month. It's not actually a mystery item in that it is revealed each month. It's more a mystery item in that it changes each month. This one is a little faux leather bookmark. You can use it with this colour or with this colour, so you can just pop that on the edge of your book as a marker, so you can use it in an actual book you're reading or in your planner. Pretty cute actually. And then we've got quote cards. There's the page backer. And we've got Lose Yourself in a Good Book. Love that one. Read more books. Good advice. Books are all you need. So many books, so little time. Just one more page. and write your own story. I love them, love all of them. I haven't actually seen many reveals of this kit, as I have been on holiday for more than 3 weeks. So it's a bit of a surprise actually. Let's have a look at the stamp set. The first thing I can see is there's a little floating stamp here from the Library of, and that is due to a typo in here from the Library of. So this is just a little replacement stamp, so you can just pop that there and replace this one and throw that one away. Unless you like the spelling mistake, in which case keep it. So these are the stamps. It says it's a 17-piece stamp set. I love the girl with the pile of stamps. And then these flowers are really pretty. Flowers and leaves. You Were Here. This cute little shelf here, which looks like it'll be a 1.5-inch width, so that'll fit in a planner column. And I love this gorgeous long shelf here. I can see that in my Hobonichi Weeks straight away as a little decorative strip. So super cute. Oh, and here we've got a little thing, number of pages read. That could be super useful. Cute. Love the stamps. Love the stamps every month. And now we've got the die cuts and the 5x7-inch art card. I'm just loving the blues in this one. I'm not a huge fan of green. I like the green of nature though, but the blues, totally stunning. We've got a girl, quite a large die cut. And then let's have a look at the large art card. We've got Lose Yourself in the shape of a heart with the books and this gorgeous deep blue. And then the pocket this month is just one more page, so they're perforated along here. So you can easily fold those, pop that on a page, and they fit, for example, your stickers or anything else in there. And that's super cute, that blue watercoloured background. Stunning. Then we've got a little pile of die cuts here. We've got books with read. Gorgeous hydrangea. Cute little shelf of books. Oh, and this one, which is perfect for a page marker. You just pop little magnets on here and here, then they'll clip together. And it looks like there's another one of those also with these flowers. That's just one idea for them. You could do other things with them. And then we've got clipboards with a flower. Another pile of books with hydrangeas on it. Love the hydrangeas, one of my favourite flowers. Gorgeous globe. So the botanicals on the clipboards, looks like there's a little set of those, collection of those. Whoops. Another gorgeous botanical book. A big shelf. And a very cute bow. These are the die cuts for the month. Oh, super pretty. Pretty and delicate, and just the colours, just lovely. Every month it's just a lovely kit. And then we've got these stickers that come in the planner kit. It's even more exciting almost not knowing all the items, because I haven't been able to keep track of everything. This is gorgeous. Oh, stunning, these flowers. So a whole page of botanicals here. So Books and Botanicals does have a lot of botanicals in it, possibly less books than Booklover, but totally stunning, love it. So here we've got our weekly headers and our folding planner sticker. And then here we've got icons, and they've changed. Super happy about this. These are my favourite little sticky note stickers. I use them up all the time, so I'm super excited to see more of them on this page. And then we've got a Planners Anonymous live sticker, because Sammy goes live, every Monday Australian time on YouTube, so that'll be perfect for tracking that. And then these ones here we've had in the past, but it's good to see this page just refreshed, and I'm super happy because I get more of my sticky notes. And then here we've got the sticker for Books and Botanicals, and there's a preview of the February kit, which is Vineyard. So the usual 4 pages of stickers in the planner kit. Then the only thing we haven't looked at that comes in the planner kit is the washi, and we have our usual 3 rolls of washi. They look like they have a silver foil this month. All of them have a silver foil. So I'll just roll these out and we can have a quick look at them. So here we have the 3 washes. This is the entire repeat of the washi. You can see the book I've got at the front here is the same as the book at the end, and then the pattern repeats. And same with this flower pattern. So it's a really nice length of different pattern. It's not just sort of 3 books repeated or 1 flower repeated. That's one of the things I really love about the Planners Anonymous washi, that you get a really nice big length of different artwork on the washi. And these are gorgeous. I mean, the stripe is such a classic, but obviously with colours coordinating with this kit, totally functional and useful washi. Then there's beautiful decorative floral washi with little spines of books in it with hearts and so on it. And then gorgeous flowers. And then the lovely bookshelf with flowers littered here and there, and then hearts on the spine, and then some of the spines have little foiled lines. So absolutely gorgeous, love it. So that's the standard planner kit, and now we'll have a look at the extra paper pack. This is the additional paper pack, so it's an add-on every month. I recommend getting it just because it extends the whole life of the kit, gives you so much more material to craft with, and all the patterns coordinate with the kit, but are different. This is the first patterned paper. It has a gorgeous deep blue background and then the flowers on it. And on the reverse of that, this blue watercolour. So we've got 2 of those. Love this. This has a little polka dot in the background, but these flowers in these books, absolutely stunning. Love that page. And on the reverse of that there is this grey watercolour. Oh, this is actually really pretty too. These are all open books, and so you've got your open books and then your flowers on them. I see so many ways you could use this creatively, actually, by writing things in these different books, writing or stamping. You could even keep it as something to write on during the month, little bits of gratitude or something on each page. Just gorgeous, love it. And then we've got this watercolour green. And then we also get another sheet of the vellum and another sheet of the gorgeous acetate. So that's the additional paper pack for Books and Botanicals. And now the sticker kit, Books and Botanicals sticker kit. So this is also an add-on each month. And once again, well worth adding on. You get a huge number of stickers. I mean, look at all those stickers. So let's look at them page by page. First of all, we've got Evelyn, and then these gorgeous florals, cups and books around her. Oh, I love this one. Look at that. So cozy under there with that book. I love it. Love, 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 love it. And this, honestly, this here, that sticker, totally love that also. I love all of them, of course. So here we've got another girl and various things. These are perfect for dividing up your column. And then we've got some cute little flags. She's very pretty. Almost like a bride, that look, the pose and the look. Gorgeous planners here. And the bags and the coffee cups and the books and the flowers. I love it. Those hydrangeas here, just stunning. Oh, look at these. These must be double box width, I think. Oh, they're going to be so fun to use. Gorgeous. And then we've got a page of quotes. And these are cute. This book belongs to, this planner belongs to. These are cute. Just a note, just one more page. Cute bows, lovely bookshelf. And then here we're getting towards some more functional but decorative. So these are full boxes for an easy width planner, and these are the width of a planner, perfect for dividing up your column. And then here a beautiful double box. Oh, is it 2 double boxes? Yeah, I can't feel that it's separated. I think, oh no, I think it is separate. No, you can see it's 2 full boxes there. In fact, is this one? I'm just going to have a look. I'm too curious. Ah, look at that. So they are full boxes, but you can fit them together to make a double box. That's very clever. And then here we've got a double box, or is it? Let's have a look. No, it also is the same. It must be how Sammy's doing it now. So the full boxes, but then you can just cut out the little bit in the middle and pop that in the middle and make it one complete picture. Awesome. Good idea. And then my favorite sticky notes and 2 months of date dots. These are circles. Hopefully you see that there. There's circles with the numbers in them. And then we've got our pages of weekly headers, full boxes, trackers, splashes, etc. in this gorgeous blue, green, a deeper blue, a deeper green, and minis. Cute minis. Cute minis. And then the cute, more functional minis. So 2 pages of minis as per usual, but super cute. Here you can see there are 18 pages of stickers in the add-on sticker kit. And honestly, they are just so gorgeous. The artwork on them is always beautiful. And then just the watercolor, you can see here, even just in a plain box, just how gorgeous it is with the watercolor effect on it. Totally love it. So that's the add-on sticker kit, and that's the end of my unboxing. So I've unboxed Books and Botanicals, the planner kit, paper kit and sticker kit for you. I'm loving it. I'm itching to get into it and craft with it, and I hope you love it too. If you do, remember, subscribe to Planners Anonymous, and you can use the code itsycrafty to save 10% off your first month. So hopefully you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.